Hi guys, you all know mom had gone out today in the cab. I'm going to pick her up. So getting quickly ready. I forgot to shoot. This is the BB cream I'm using by Hamaira. I'll again take it out for you guys to show you the texture. Super creamy, super smooth. You won't even get to know if you've applied any kind of base. I'll show you up close. You can see the difference here and here. Just massage well. Here, hold this please. And this. So yeah, my base is done. And after this, it's going to be a light blusher, lipstick, and I'm good to go. I'm going to tag the brand. This is Hamaira. And that's it. Stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, I was using this blusher, a quick one. This is my favorite one, the Rockstar by Character Cosmetics. Everybody knows by now that how much I love this blusher. And this is the same one which will go slightly here, and I'm good to go. That's it. You want to look jawan, you want to look young, 10 years, don't forget to do the eyebrows. This is by Forever 52, another amazing brand which gives a very natural look to the face. Always remember never to start your eyebrows from the starting, always from the middle. Do not forget to create that lovely arch which gives you that youthful look. And we are good to go. If at all you ever feel it is deposited, just brush it off with a spoolie. Okay guys, so time for doing my eyeliner. This is T&W. What I love about this eyeliner is the long, amazing, smooth brush. I always start from the center. This is a very important tip. Never start from the front. Then you complete. And in one stroke, your winged eyeliner is done. Do not forget. And I love this is smudge proof and it is matte jet black. And I think there's an offer going on it. Do check out their website. I'll try to leave a link for you guys. Stay. Okay, so time to do my mascara. I'm using Vatten Italy. I love the wand. Now when I say I love the wand, it is very easy to apply. This mascara doesn't smudge, doesn't give those clumpy effects. Just make sure you're applying nicely. You can even use the same wand for the lower lashes to give your eyes will look more open. Vatten Italy again is a very good brand when you talk about foundations, mascaras, and I think you all know about my favorite lipstick, Gossip Girl, that is also from Vatten Italy. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, before we use any kind of lipstick, always remember to do an outline. I'm using this lovely pencil by Mars. When you see the Cupid's bow, the moment your outline is done, time to fill. Whenever you feel that you're warm shade and if you use a light color and your skin looks washed out, use a dark outline and you're sorted. There we go. Ombre is done. I'm ready to go. And that's it. This is how I get ready in a chilli. Thank you. Stay tuned. I want to have some shine on my face, so of course I'm going to be using my favorite Blue Botanical. I'm going to be picking up this beautiful light color, put it on my cheek like this and blend it. Smile and get that glow. Thora uppar aa gaya glow, but yeah, you can manage it. I have to pick up mama na, they have to look nice. Bye bye, Blue Botanicals.